For welcome, man, it's your boy Dada, aka the Realest. I'm high-key sick. I don't think I got the Rona. I tested, I don't got it, but that's beside the point. You have read the title. Why your shoe starts? NoFap, bro. This is for everybody who is still every day, every 2 days. I don't know, every week, bro. We gotta stop doing this shit because none of the things that we want to achieve will work if we keep doing this, bro. And the reason why I say we is because I struggle with that shit as well, bro. Like, bro, no fat porn. Like, I've been struggling with this shit my whole life. Like, I've told myself, like, I don't want to watch porn no more for 2022. I failed. Do I give up? No. You're still gonna strive to do better. And I'm like 1 week in or something like that, 1.5 weeks. I don't count anymore because I know when I count, I get fixed on the numbers. Oh, the numbers. And then you're like, oh, damn, I failed on day 40. Now you're day 1. I might as well because I'll still be on day 1. Do that shit the whole time. So it's not the way to go. Quickly like, subscribe, comment on the video. If you're still watching, I appreciate you if you do. And now let's continue. But we're gonna start this today. So comment today, I'm in. Let's improve. Because this shit is actually ridiculous. Think about it for a second. You're watching 2 people fuck. Like, imagine 2 people fucking over there. You just watch that. Are you a fucking loser, bro? Like, think about it. That's loser activity. And the last time I remember, we are all winners. We all strive to be winners, be the champion. So what's with that loser ass activity, bro? You can't do that shit. We ain't no bitches. And if you do it, and if you say, oh, Dada, oh, the realest, I'm watching it because I can't get women. Well, maybe the reason you can't get women is because you watch it. It's all about the way that you perceive things, all about your mindset. It's not that you should watch porn because you don't get women. You don't get woman because you watch porn, bro. Gotta stop that shit. What is that weak ass bitch ass nigga shit, bro? Do better, man. Get you some pussy, bro. Get you some pussy, bro. So all of y'all niggas that watch porn probably can't get some on the regular. If you got some pussy on the regular, you wouldn't watch porn. And I know you feel attacked, but it's okay, nigga, because I'm him as well. I'm y'all as well, bro. Y'all not the only ones. So that's what I'm saying. We're in this boat together. So let's improve together and stop this shit, bro, once and for all. Like, bro, this is the video that I'm saying, bro. I gotta stop with the porn shit. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna send a friend. When I get paid, I'm gonna send a friend like 500 euros or 200, 300 euros and be like, bro, if I watch porn, you will keep the money. Now there's a stake. Now I lose something if I watch it. Normally you only lose a gallon of nut, but now you actually lose money plus the gallon of nut, and this shit actually will improve. So do it. Give your friend money, and a friend that you know wouldn't use the money. Give him money and say, bro, if I watch porn, keep the money. Simple. That simple. So yeah. Starting today, let's say I'm in the comments. I want to see I'm in all in the comments because we're gonna do this, bro. Weekly updates on how it's going for y'all. It will be fun. It will be fun. It will be a fun journey, and it will be important for us to improve, bro. I set a goal for myself. I got 2 years to make this shit work to the max. I mean, we're gonna do it, no doubt about that. But 2 years, bro. I'm gonna be thankful for myself that I started this right now and make this clear that I'm not doing this shit no more. You feel me? Hope y'all doing the same. It's your boy Dada, aka the Realest. Make sure to like, subscribe, comments, hit the post notification bell. And yeah, if you find it hard to self-improve, let's improve together. You feel me? Me and you, we got this. We all got this. Yes, sir. Peace out.